Hi SoFar, I'm Lucky Lamond, and I would love to come and play for you guys. I just released an album called Carry Them All. You can find it wherever you stream your music, and more info at luckylamond.com. And for now, I will play you a few snippets of some of those tracks, and so you can kind of get the vibe. Yeah, hope you dig it. This is my song Silver Cowboy. That's kind of the woo. And now to bring it down a notch, this is my song, The Fox. And yeah, we arrive. Let's do it. Let's fix that capo there, actually. Get a better vibe, tone. There we go. This one's about my dad. Fox is born leg of the track. How's he supposed to live like that? Stand up straight, he'll scar real good, and they'll think you walk like any fox should. Fox grows up into a man, builds a life as best he can, learns to hunt everything he knows, comes from chasing home and grove, and he sings lead then, maybe you'll come back in the end. Well, there's nothing waiting for you on the other side except your whole life. Yeah, that's the fox. And then let's bring it a little bit back up. That's what I usually bring it on home with. This is my song, Carry Them All, title track. Had a chip on my shoulder since the day I was born. Held by hands that worked and were warm, that were raised up by arms that weathered the storm. I carry them all with me. Got the blood of a dragon and the shape of her face. yeah, thanks for your consideration and your time. And I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Hope to see you soon.